you going?
I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't
They're doing.
about to see the world in action, what we can be.
So, dito kami sa NAIA Terminal 3. Check-in na kami dito sa kiosk ng Cebu Park.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
Hey, what are you doing? It's not a toy.
I'm done living life with the lights out.
Put Jan, baby. Don't play with it.
Please double check that you have all your personal.
So, dito na kami sa Cebu Park. Naka-fly lang. Ito isa tulog. Ayos na naman siya ng ano niya, bang.
A few inches later.
Sige po. You can
Ay,
sit.
you can see.
Para po makasama po kayo sa photo. Sige po.
Yan, yan.
Dali pa ha. Dali pa. Ayusin ko lang po para maganda po yung photo.
Nakapicture kami sa cockpit.
Oh, tas naiwan yung cellphone. Yay! Iniwan yung cellphone. Cellphone mo, iniiwan mo.
Hello guys, welcome to
What?
Hello guys, welcome to hotel.
Welcome to Hong Kong. Hong Kong. We're going on a bus. Can you sing? On a bus, go round and round, round and round. So, sa wakas, nandito na kami sa may bus. 821. Papunta tong Hong Kong. Sa hotel na pinareserve namin at hanap namin. So, dito na kami sa Bova. So, dito kami sa taas ng bus. Nasa harapan pa kami sa padigan.
You're my baby sister.
Muna kami sa may King's Hotel. At exactly 12:20. Check-in na kami. May deposit sa hotel. So, mga nasa 500 Hong Kong dollars yung deposit per room. So, 3 room kami. So, nasa 1,500 Hong Kong dollars.
A few inches later.
Anong tawag dyan, Zoe?
Hot and sour soup. Like, octopus balls.
Try it. How's it? Is it hot?
Of course.
Hong Kong's finest.
Yes.
Tell it here in the video. Ano, masarap?
Okay kayo.
That's Chinese food. Manghang? Sarap.
2 hours later.
Sila. Hey guys! Mag-MRT kami. Going to the Peak Tram. So it's exactly 4:30 ng hapon. Hapon, nagtatagalog sila. Kaya nagtanong kami sa kabayan namin kung saan papuntang tram, the Peak. Kaya lang, di rin nila alam. Kaya yun. So, dito kami sa mga bridge. Yung mga nakita kami mga kabayan. So, dito sila tumatambay punta kasi kami sa the Peak Tram. So, pahinga muna. Grabe, puro hagdan eh. May dala kaming stroller. Walang stroller friendly. Dito sa mga OFW na nandito sa Hong Kong. Sa baba. So, yun. Entrance ng tram. Nasa 1 to 1 pagka nag-group ka. Kasi ganda mag-group ka kasi pagka bumili ka pa ng ticket, ang haba ng pila dito sa may Peak Tram. So better...
Nakarating ka na.
O yan, nakarating na daw ako. Ito kadami tao dito. Ooh. Yeah! Pila is life! Malap, malap. Everybody, everybody. Everyone, are you ready to ride tram? Yeah! tripan natin yung mga visitors ng Hong Kong. So, nakisama naman sila sa paggawa. Who wants dessert?
Sakit mabuhay digdi.
Oh, sobra. Hong Kong is very, very... Especially Xiaolong Bao.
Dan noodles.
And the dandan noodles.
Sabi niya gusto naman Shaolin Bao. I love Shaolin Bao.
Hey, give me my Xiaolong Bao. That's mine.
Dito ka nga, katabi ni Mami.
So, dito kami sa Sky Garden. Hindi na kami pupunta dun sa Avenue of the Stars na malapitan. Dito na kami. Top view naman ngayon yung view namin. So, going back or going down, mahaba pa rin yung pila here sa Peak Tram. Pero, moving naman. Dami nga lang tao. Kasi syempre, linggo ngayon. So, yun. Balik na kami sa hotel. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng hotel namin. Kasi kanina nagpahinga kami, grabe, pagod.
Hi po. Good evening po.
Good night, guys.
Tulog
Basta kayo?
Okay lang po, sir.
This is the room. Family room to, tama?
Oo, paano ba to?
Family room.
Ito? Ito? Ay.
Yeah.
Ay. Sige, pailawan mo nga ba? Naku, sorry medyo pabugo, sir.
Ayan, okay pa.
Oo.
Buti naman kayo dyan, ha. So, ito naman yung room nila, Papa.
Hello.
Hi. Ito naman ang room nila, Papa Lab, Mama Lab. Yan. Hi. Yan. Halos pare-parehas lang. Dito walang drawing. Dito si Baby Sweet. Ready na matulog. Ba't nakapantalong ka, Sweet? Si Mama Lab, nakapadjama na.
Hi.
Good night. See you tomorrow. This is our room. Oh. Yan. Ito namin CR. Sino tulog? Ay! Ito talaga yung pinag-combine namin yung kama para mas maluwag. Yan. Yung TV nila may cable pero puro Chinese eh. So yan. Good night! Good night na. Pagod na kami. Sa day 1. Good night, Mami. Good night, sa baby. Hong Kong day 1. Out.
Day 2.
Hey guys, are you ready? Hey! Happy anniversary, Mama Lab, Papa Lab! So, maglalakad ulit kami papunta sa Yau Ma Tei Station. Punta kami ngayon sa Macau, Hong Kong Ferry para pumunta sa Macau. Tour kami doon.
Touch the water, easy now, breathe it in. Watch the foam wash it clean, step by step. we begin. Leave it there, let it be. Let it go, let it go. Let the blue take hold. Let it go, let it go. Feel the sunrise.
Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. So, punta na kaming Central daw, tapos change lane. So, may mga route na kami papunta dun sa ferry station going Macau. So, kita-kits.
Bare feet on the sand, palm trees sway. Your hand in my hand.
Oop! Oop! Walang nasa kaliwa.
They can't follow. Here in the glow, we are hollow.
So, dito na kami sa may ferry station. Turbojet going to Macau. Bibili lang ng ticket si Merl. Kailangan lang kunin yung mga passport. Kasi kailangan siya going to Macau. Siyempre, ibang country na siya or destination. So, ito yung makulit na bata. Diba?
Feel the sunrise roll. We can flow till the day turns gold.
Ito kami sa immigration. Kasi kailangan ng scan yung passport.
I feel my heart unclench. No need to chase the wave. It finds me where I stand. Let it go, let it go. Let the blue
Boarding na kami. Going Macau. First time going to Macau.
feel the sunrise roll. We can flow till the day turns gold.
Guys. Hi guys. Hi. Ako tabi. Sa likod. Sa cameraman ako. Rapsi. Sa ulo.
Let it go, and I'm light again.
Welcome to Macau! Yay! So, we are here in Macau port. So, going ulit kami sa immigration pa rin ba? Immigration pa rin kasi scan ulit kami ng mga aming passports. So, ayan. And then, kikitain namin mamaya yung tour guide namin. I think mga 10 o'clock ata. So, before that, ayan, pasok na tayo. Uy! Ano po name niyo, te?
Marites.
Ayaw po, Marites. Hindi naman po kayo chismosa. Hello. Ayun po, I'm Ken. Yan, saan po kami ngayon sa tour niyo po ngayon. So, ayan, relaxing tour to. Hello, salamat po. Meron dito mga free shuttle bus. Yung sakay namin, according kay Ma'am Marites. Okay. Pero yung iba, siya naman magbabayad kasi babayaran na lang namin siya after the whole tour here in Macau. Guys! Ma'am Tess, pwede dito?
Baby, leave it on the sand. Let the pressure slip from your hand. Morning gold on your skin. Take a breath and let it in. We don't need to run, we can move with the sun.
So, first stop namin, dito kami nag-stop sa may The Sands Hotel and Casino. Pero sa tabi nito, meron tong parang site or parang tinatawag nilang Fisherman's Wharf. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yun ha. Kita nyo, yun nga pala yung potato corner dito sa Macau. Kakulay na kakulay eh.
Track the shoreline glow, slow heartbeat, let the current flow.
2, 3. Who wants ice cream? Ay, ay, ay. Ay, niyakap yung ice cream. Niyakap ng magkapatid.
We are like the first warm light. Hold on to the blue and release it too if the world feels far. Let it go, let it go, wash it out.
Muntik na maiwan ng Dasila Merl. Kasi nandun sila sa harap. Buti na lang. Hindi pa umandar agad yung bus. So bumukas naman yung pinto. So okay naman. Yung mga freebies. Wala tayo yan. Gusto ko naman talaga. Dim sum. Okay, who's hungry? Taas kamay. Okay. Kain na tayo. Yes! Happy anniversary po. So, we're taking lunch na dito sa Macau. Sa may Senado Square. Sobrang gutom na kasi syempre ang dami rin na nilakad. So, dalawa na ata kami side. After this one, meron pa mga susunod. So, full day naman to eh. Masarap yung mga pagkain dito. Pero syempre, tignan natin kung masarap tong kakainan talaga namin. So, dito kami kakain sa may kulay blue. Hindi ko maintindihan eh. How was it? Good?
Wala naman ako.
How was it? Wala. So dito sa Lucky Souvenir Shop, sa may kainan, mayroong mga murang souvenirs. Pagkatapos mo kumain, pwede ka bumili. Ayun si ate, siya yung nagbebenta ng mga souvenir. Pilipino. Dahil ng discount dito, panalo.
Pwede mo bubuksan. Pwede mo.
Ito magana daw.
Ito is 18. Ito is 21.
Ate, ano name mo ulit?
JC Bell po.
JC Bell, bye-bye. Bye-bye kabayan.
Walang anuman po sa inyo na.
Sun on your shoulders now.
Ha? Okay na sa'yo yan? Alright, sige. One order. Single order only. Green apple. Mas masarap? Ano mas masarap? Green apple, lemon. Ano?
Yung green apple.
Green apple na lang. Isang order. Alright. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Your worries, watch them drift and go. Let it go.
So, dito tayo sa Pop Mart ngayon. Nititignan daw si Zoe. Samahan ko yung mga kids, mga girls.
With the clothes. Take it low.
Ano nagustuhan mo dapat? Yung hindi masyado matamis. Yan.
Turns to gold.
So, still strolling here sa Macau. Senado Square, no? So, lakad mode kami. Medyo natatagan, dami na yung tao ngayon dito. Tignan natin. Doon na kami sa next destination kagad para hindi na maguluhan. Kita kids.
Go. Soft waves, take it low. Let it go. Let it go. We can start with the clothes. Take it low. Let it go.
basically, puro lakad talaga gagawin mo dito sa Macau. Mapapagod ka. Tapos, buti na lang may mga titikman ka mga food trips along the way. May tart, mayroong beef jerky, pork jerky, chicken jerky, kahit anong karne pa yan, meron silang jerky. Sobrang dami. Kasi tumuang dada kami sa may palengke. Yun, parang palengke or parang...
Let it go,
Ayun,
let it go. Sunrise made us whole. Let it go.
usually coffee and everything. Ito ano, CR? May CR? Oh. Oh yeah, CR. CR, public CR. Tulog Zabin. Hindi ko alam kung nasa kaming mall. Anong mall to, Tete?
Take the way,
Londoner.
baby.
Londoner. Okay. Londoner mo.
By the shore. Let the waves keep moving. You don't need it anymore. Palm tree shadow, soft hands, soft wind on your skin. Breathe in, breathe out slowly. Let the morning in. If your mind runs wild, let it drift away. I'll stay right here with you till the colors fade. Let it go, let it go. Feel the sunrise glow. Let it go, let it go. Watch the soft waves flow. Easy now, easy now. We can start again. Let it go, and let the light come in.
Ito kami pupunta sa may Grand Canal. Yan sila mama. Pagod na sa paglalakad dyan. London feels talaga. Sobrang daming tao. Ayan. Picture sila dyan. Hindi ko alam bakit. Para Magellan's Cross lang eh. Ayan o. Picture sila dyan. Good na ako eh. Ito na isang likot-likot pa oh. Saan yung malikot? Oh, puwa lang dyan ha. Huwag ka tatakas. So here in the mall, they provide some guests bottled water for free. Here's the water. You just have to ask them. They can give you water. They'll give you free bottles. I already got 3 for Zabi, Merle, and for Zoe.
The soft waves flow. Easy now, easy now. We can start again. Let it go, and let the light come in.
So, ginabi na kami. Yan na. Punta na ulit kami sa hotel. Para makapagpahinga dahil tomorrow, we're going tomorrow.
Disneyland! Yeah.
Disneyland. Are you ready to go Disneyland?
Yes!
Me, no. Are you ready to go stream rides?
Yes!
Okay.
Mickey Mouse.
Beam beam. Are you ready to go Disneyland? Yeah. Say good night.
Uy, tapos na. Siya nakita ako.
Nangyari? What happened?
It's the white. It's the white car.
White car. And then?
7
Yun, mabibidyo ako si Gina Lynn. Yan, para sa vlog. Shout out! Tinalo kami, kinita kami ni Gina Lynn sa may Yamatay na station. So thank you Gina Lynn. Second day, meet namin si Gina Lynn. Tama sila papa. It's time to sleep. End of day 2. Mami. Zabi. Ate. Sleeping na. Good night. End of day 2. See you Disneyland tomorrow.
Day 3.
Wow!
Mami, baby.
Paano ulit kayo? Paano ulit?
Picture na,
Talikod.
picture.
Yeah. Kayo Zoe. Zabi ikaw.
Gawin, sabi.
Ay.
Kita.
Tingin. Ay. Morning. Going to morning. Are you ready? Are you ready? Sweet, ano food mo? Gusto niyo sa'yo? Si Ate Princess, gutom na. Cry. Can you cry? So, dito kami ngayon sa train. Papunta ng Disneyland. Nag-round trip kami para at least medyo mas oras ako makapagpa-picture. Countdown lane!
Ito ng arko ng Disneyland.
So we're finally here sa Disneyland Hong Kong Resort. Dami tao. As usual, syempre, sikat na sikat tong Hong Kong Disneyland. So nauuna tayo. Kasama ko si Zoe and si Baby Sweet. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi Disneyland. Okay, so waiting tayo. Mag-open. Mag-aga pa.
Move on nga sa nangyari kanina. Hindi tayo nakaharang sa daan.
Dulo. So, dito na kami sa pila. Medyo natagal na kami sa picture sa Disneyland entrance na may hack dun sa likod. Kaya pwede nyo puntahan. So, para at least wala masyado tao pag nag-picture kayo with your family, solo man o hindi. Yan, dami tao. Sila sa likod ko. So, tignan natin kung makakasakay tayo kagad sa mga rides later. Sana makapag-enjoy yung mga kids. Yan ang importante. Siyempre yung ating may anniversary. Yan, nakapag-enjoy si Mama Love, Papa Love. Yan. Finally, nasa loob na kami! Woohoo! Dada! Nasa Disneyland na tayo, Dada! Yay! One, two, three. Disneyland! Ano? Shot? Frozen Ever-Raptor! Let's go! It's very cold! I can't hear you. Are you ready to ride?
Okay. Hello guys. Yes. So pupunta tayo sa Frozen Ever After. It's a water ride about Frozen. So, ayan, dito na kami. Ayan na, nag-video na rin sila. Hello daw. Let's go, let's go.
Haba pila.
So, nakapila na kami. There's a lot of people though. So, 15 minutes daw yung wait time namin. So, medyo matagal-tagal rin. Kahit like, kids ride lang siya. Pero, maraming tao. Hi vlogger. Okay? See you na lang sa rides.
Hi guys! Guys!
Hello guys! Hello kayo! Okay! Hi guys! We're on the ride! Let's go! Let's go! It's okay. Let's go. Oh, pwede yan, pwede. Okay. Let's do this. Hi! Oh. Hello guys! Hello kayo! Hello! Hello! Okay, yung mga nandito sa likod. Hello!
Safety bar, safety bar. Ayos! Enjoy ba guys?
Enjoy nyo? Let's go to the roller coaster. We'll see you there. Nandito na tayo sa shop ni
Gagawin ko tang Chinese.
Old Man sa sa Elsa, sa movie. Tapos sasakay kami sa roller coaster. Tawag sa kanya, sliding place.
Harap, tama. Tuwan-tuwa ka. Kami na next. Next na kami. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Good luck. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. Last stop.
You're almost there,
Last stop.
Sven. We'll have our drink at the top of the mountain before they get there.
Oh no! Oh no! Ah! 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 Ah!
There! Ayun na sila! Ayan na, Daddy!
Lunch na kami. Exactly 1 p.m. Medyo pagod na. Kuha mo na ng lakas dito sa lam. Panalo tong lam. Oh guys, enjoy eating. What's that? Chicken? Nice. Nice one. Enjoy eating para mamaya may lakas ulit. So, Ate Princent, happy eating. Mama Lab, Papa Lab. Yan. So, tapos namin kumain. We're going to Jungle River Cruise. Kasi good for all din siya. Para at least solve yung mga rides para sa mga kids. And para sa ating mga parents. The parentals. Okay, tayo doon. Bye to my friends on the dock. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. We may never see them again. Legs, elbows put inside the boat. And remember, supervise your children, okay? So you guys can always set their tree house yet. And look at the left hand side, this the route to the Taisan tree house. The global scientists will use the route to move across the river because there's a lot of crocodiles. I lost my way in this jungle. Oh no, what's that over there? Yes, it's the big spiders. I one of them jumped to the right. Also we're from there. But racist scientists. Why all the scientists turn into the gorilla? What happened, guys? Oh no, what the gorilla doing? Oh no, that must be the scientists and my friend on the street over there. Oh yeah, but they are in a big trouble now. Hey guys, get everyone! They're taking my phone! Looking good. But for our safety, I have to send you guys back to the dock now. So, watch out guys, we're gonna go for I am a rare now.
Is that the forbidden canyon of God we're not supposed to be here? Can we live at the front? There's no way out at the front. Can we live at the back? There's no way out at the back. Oh, the God of fire is angry now and he don't let us go. So everyone, let's blow up the fire together. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go!
Ayun o, kitang-kita sila. Ayun o. Nangyari? Sarap? Sarap? Ah, Zoe.
Grabe, andun po. Bus kasi sa harap.
Sarap, sarap.
Ayun. Andito na tayo. Sa... Saan to? Saan to, Dad?
Ganyan lang.
Wait, video. Oh, wow.
So dito kami sa may parachute drop. Medyo haba rin ng pila kasi may inabal kami oras yung sa parade show. Sana makakapot saka makakuha ka agad ng sa mga. Ayun, di discussion sila. Zabi! Parachute drop. So dito naman kami ngayon sa Tomorrowland entrance.
Ano yun, Dad?
Ano yan?
Oh. I want to buy something. I want to buy ice.
Go for an Ironman ride and Ant-Man ride. Nandito din yung sinahanap nyong hyperspace. Kung gusto nyong mag-ride.
This place is literally swarming with these bots.
You know, they're actually called sport bots, right?
Well, it's a great name for them.
Yep.
Mabilis mo yan?
Caution guys, caution. Are you ready? Six-seven is your score.
6-7!
Honey, I shrunk the kids.
Great!
Meanwhile.
我去到最近嘅出口離開，離開太空飛碟時，請小心越海空域。Please remain seated. Your flying saucer comes to a stop. Then watch your step as you disembark and walk to the nearest exit.
请大家坐好。在飞碟停稳前，请不要离開座位。
有非常多嘅衝擊波技術，成功創造出今日。
Continent of Asia. The building is run by the
Kala ko estatwa. Gulat ako.
and generates enough excess energy to power 20 more Stark Towers. And this is just the beginning. Can you imagine no longer needing coal, oil, or nuclear power? Hong Kong Stark Tower is a symbol of our company's obsessive dedication.
All carry-on items must be safely stowed beneath your seats. Storage bins are located under.
Iron Man.
XO8, you are cleared for takeoff.
歡迎各位，今日嘅旅程，我哋將會飛到去全新嘅香港史達大樓。如果熱反應能源氣俾 Hydra 搶走，
I know, Hydra can't get the upgrade.
Ang bilis. Magkano ulit? Magkano ulit?
I feel like I'm in one of my favorite storybooks. Now I'm ready for anything. There's magic in the air tonight.
Finally, Big Greasy Mountain Ride.
Hindi na ako iiyak this year.
Yeah, you ready?
I wanna do it!
Okay, this is a fast-paced roller coaster. So, yan. Ayan. Nakakabahan na nga rin ako eh. Guys, girls! Girls! Ate Princess! Are you ready?
Yes! Yes!
Are you ready?
Yes!
Meanwhile.
Run!
Ano mo sa experience? How was it?
Maano siya? Mabilis siya? Mabilis siya?
Wala lang yan. Oh! Oh! Oh no!
Yes, when it's
A lot of boring math later.
Gifting us with what we leave behind. Our celebration of a lifetime begins in just 30 minutes. Thank you.
Later that same evening.
So, going home na kami. Bye. Say bye, Zoe.
Bye-bye. Nagano na kami, nag-video ka na kami kanina ng Bye-bye Disneyland.
Bye, Disneyland. It's already 9 p.m. Grabe, dahil pa bumibili sa mga gilid-gilid.
Much later.
Okay na? Ha?
Yeah.
Gutom na gutom ako. Zoe, sarap din. Hit na, hit.
Speaking my heart like it really is. 'Cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get, and holding me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now.
69? 69? Meron din bilyaran dito pala sa hotel, sa King's Hotel. 69 Hong Kong dollars. 69 Hong Kong dollars for half hour. Maraming mesa, stick din ah. Meron din bars. So, ito yung bar nila. At the second floor lang itong hotel.
Feeling the holes on my soul. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like,
Kami sa airport. Grabe. Daming dalahin. So we're going home na. Tapos na ang tour namin here in Hong Kong. So I think this is also the last visit na namin sa Hong Kong. Hindi na kami babalik. But we're not saying na pangit sa Hong Kong. It's just okay naman na yung dalawang trip going to Hong Kong with the family. So tingnan na natin kung saan kami next. So yun lang, thank you sa mga nanood. Share nyo naman yung mga videos namin. Yun lang, kita kids. Bye bye. Ingat po kayo. See you po ulit.
See you in Singapore.
Ayun.
Yun.
Yun.
Magkita tayo with
Japan
Japan.
Japan naman si Bibi, Japan.
Japan.
Kailangan pag-ipunan yung Japan, medyo matindi gastos dyan.
Matogo.
Uwi na! Uwi na! Uwi na! Eh, si Bupak, ang aga ng si Bupak ngayon ah. Wala pa yung plate namin, dyan na siya. Bye-bye, Hong Kong!
Go home na? Ayaw mo ba? Bakit? Saan punta? Where are you going? Disneyland. Disneyland.